Hey guys, it's Eric Cummings from the Cummings Law Firm. I'm here to talk today briefly about custody. This, out of all the different divorce and domestic relations topics that can be discussed here in Pennsylvania, this is the one, I'm just being honest, this is the one that pulls on my heartstrings the most. My wife and I, we have 5 young kids of our own, and this is the one that is really sensitive because you're dealing with kids, right? You're dealing with people, little people who are innocent that don't ask to be put in the middle of this stuff, and so often we inadvertently place them at the heart of some of this conflict, and it's a really unfortunate set of circumstances. When a client walks in the door initially to talk to me or any of the members of the team here, we go through custody, and just to give you a broad overview, broad stroke here, what you have is there are basically, you're dealing most of the time with 2 different parents that are talking about, there's legal custody and then there's physical custody. Legal custody relates to those things that maybe we don't think of as much, the education, the medical, and the religious decisions. Who has the authority to make those decisions? And I'll be honest, 99.9% of the time, in my personal experience, over the 12 years I've practiced, the courts in central Pennsylvania award shared legal custody to both parents to share equally. Very rare to have one of those parents acquire sole legal custody. So legal custody is the first one. The second one is where we typically see the most fight, the most animosity, and that's going to deal with your physical custody. That's who has their hands on that child, who is the primary caretaker, this has implications relative to child support, this has implications relative to tax returns, this has a whole host of things that kind of draw into it. And for us here, it's important for us to walk you through breaking down those expectations that you may walk in the door with that are pushed and backed by emotion, and the experiences that you've heard others around you that have had to go through similar circumstances that they have peppered you with. And so people walk in with these expectations, plus they know their schedules and they know what they want and they know what's best for their child. And so taking all of that and meshing it all together and walking you through the process and the system, and trying to get you to a place where we, number one, first and foremost, paramount, is make sure that your child or your children are safe, making sure that you're getting to see those kids and care for those kids and love those kids, because when all this is said and done, right, when everything is done, the well-being of your kiddos should be the thing that's the most important to you. It's the thing quietly that's the most important to us and our team here. We want to make sure that the kids are safe and that they still look at you with the admiration that you deserve. And you're going to act in times, you may act at times in a way that doesn't reflect that, but we're here to help. We're the guardrails that help keep you going in the direction that's going to get you done quickly. It's going to keep your child safe, and it's going to get you out on the other side to a place that's going to be better. So please don't hesitate. Give us a call. Our phone number here is 765-9611. You can check out our website. It's plastered everywhere so that it's easy for people to access. And we'd encourage you, this is hard stuff. This is messy stuff to get through, but we're good at it, and we're good at walking alongside you. We're dedicated to you, and we're dedicated to the cause of making sure that those children are safe. So thank you for watching the video. Check it out, and check out all the rest of our videos that we've produced here relative to domestics, and just give us a call, set up a time to come in and see us, and we'll take care of you. We'll make sure that you're exactly where you're supposed to be. Thanks, guys.